Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, pandas, pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. I'm glad you guys are here. Thanks for joining, everybody. Good morning, everybody. If you're in the stream, drop a GM in the chat. Scalp that like button. Make super chat more fun with a goal. Pick a goal. 10 super chats. Choose the super chat colors that count. Teal and higher. $5. Set a timer. Share how you'll celebrate. Whoa. Here are some ideas for you. If we reach 10 super chats, I'll react to hilarious animal videos. If we reach 10 super chats, I'll play the next game blindfolded. If we reach 10 super chats, I'll spill a secret. Alright, pandas, we're trying this new super chat thing. Let's see if it works out. It is Whiskey Wednesday, pandas. Whiskey Wednesday. 10 super chats. Second entry long here. Good morning, my pandas. Something like this. Ooh, actually, this goes further. Maybe something like that. I took 2 trades. I actually had 1 loser this morning and then a winner afterwards. We're green on our accounts, pandas. That's what matters. We're actually green on our accounts. Can we get 10 super chats today? $5 or more. That'd be wild. I'll tell you that right now. With this size channel, if we can get 10 super chats, that would break the YouTube algo. I'll tell you that much. I'll tell you what. It looks bearish to me, but let's wait till market opens. I took a trap here, fails. Ended up taking basically a trap on the 2500 tick chart. That's what this trade is. Just scalping 10 points. I was only risking 10 points, so it seemed reasonable. Drop a GM in the chat, pandas, if you're here. One more day for code BBM for 80% off Apex promo. It's actually a bunch of stuff. 80% off Apex evals, $50 for the 150k, 250k, 300k. So it's actually your best deal. Your best bet is actually buying these higher account sizes. $85 lifetime fee for any of the accounts. 1 day to pass for all of them, and $35 resets if you do have to use a reset. Hmm. Looks bearish, but I kind of wanted to come back to a resistance here. Ruben Morera. Good morning. Nice news. Secret is that you have a black light in your basement. How did you know? H2O, good morning. Welcome back. It's good to see these older names. Crimson Demon. Welcome to the chat. Bill 7. Good morning, pandas. Scalp that like button. Charles Wilson, good morning. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome. This has a good reason. You have a good reason to go short here just because we're in a strong downtrend. It's just another push. That's a trap trade to the downside. Market's about to open. Ooh, that trade fails. Patience was key here. Patience pays. I said I didn't want to take it because we're not close enough to any resistance by taking that trade. Trap's failing. It's concerning for bears. Bulls are making money here. $2,500 tick. It's also a limit order buy at the bottom of that bar. Very interesting. Create a second interest short on the 2,500 tick chart. Looking for a new high here, right? This push up was strong enough to warrant a new high. Derek Ray, thoughts on Top Step? Ooh, was there news on Top Step? I actually didn't know. Oh, just thoughts on Top Steps in general. To be honest, not the worst. Not the worst. Not anymore, at least. It's expensive. It's expensive, and you can only have up to like 4 accounts, I think. Getting a second interest short on a 2,500 tick. Yesterday was actually a bit wild, the price action. It was actually a super strong uptrend. I tried to get a lot of it. I tried to get to it, but I couldn't get it. I couldn't get it, Pandas. I just couldn't get it. But this uptrend is just insane. Slow grind, very painful to trade. But it was an uptrend all day. So, I mean, it is what it is, Pandas. Second interest short here. Triangle being formed again. Market about to open. 1.5 minutes. So turning to a limit order market right now. Not sure how long it'll last for. Kind of like a double top here. Maybe a second interest short, I'll take it because it'll trigger the second interest short also on the 2,500 tick. Might be interested in that. Nevertheless, probably best to wait till market opens. Crimson Demon. Yep, I agree. Like they did change it up. They used to be the worst. So many rules made it super difficult, and prop firms like Apex come in and they change the game, saying that prop firms like Top Step are just greedy, super greedy. They say, hey, no rules, and now look at Apex. Things have switched. The turns tables have turned. Whatever. The tables have turned. The turns have tabled. You know what I mean? Getting more sus now. I have seen patterns like this reverse, but market opens now. We'll be ready for a short trade here. Let's see if we get something here. We're in the triangle. As long as we're in a triangle, I'm not interested. It does trigger the short. I would try to time this, but it'd be very difficult. Okay, let's see if we get a scalp here. Second entry short on the 2500 tick. Looks like it's gonna rip my face off. Face off, ripped it did. Let's try it again one more time. On a trap trade now on the 500 tick. Oh yeah. In this trade. It's not the best position, but let's see if we can make some bamboo here. Okay, nice. Doesn't quite get there. Wanted a little bit more. Let's let it cook. Let it cook. Let it cook. Still letting it cook. And it's ripping my face off again. Okay, face off. Face ripped off again. Unfortunately. It is what it is. I had to let it cook for another push down. Strong push down. It didn't give it to me though. I tried, Pandas. Strong bull bar ending on its high on the 2500 tick gets sold immediately. Could be turning to a trading range here. High or low here? We'll see. High or low does trigger, but doesn't get anywhere. That's unfortunate. I had a nice little trade here as well. Second entry short does trigger above the 20 EMA, not interested. Second entry long, not interested. Turning to trading range. Maybe this second entry long fails. I might be interested to go short. Maybe. Okay. Maybe. Okay, outside bar reversal. Not interested in the outside bar reversal. Ends up triggering again. Might push down hard. Just who knows? Nobody knows. Who's gonna know? Very confusing in my opinion. Let's be realistic here, Pandas. Let's call it what it is. Let's call it what it is right now, Pandas. Okay, pushing down. Jeez. Very choppy here right now. No clue what's happening. Okay, pushing down. Still no clue what's happening. What's all this drama for? What's the reason for this theatrics? Why did it pop up like this for no reason just to come back down? What in the world? 3 hits to the upside. We're looking for a breakdown. I don't know. Hard to say. We're still in this trading range. We're in this channel here as well. Bouncing off the top of the channel. Coming outside the range right now. Trading beneath it. Typically, you look for a breakout first. You can try to time the breakout as well, but you gotta understand this. That's a low probability trade, so you must get good risk reward. I mean, you can do it. You just need good risk reward. Very good risk reward. Ooh, breaking down. What was the point of all that theatrics? What was the point of all this chop here? Just coming back down anyways. Goodness gracious. Strong bear bar ending on its low on the 5-minute chart. Sure, why not? See if we can get some follow through on the 5-minute. Okay, risk my face off. No follow through on the 5-minute chart. Interesting. Just trying to get some follow through on the 5 minutes. Just a strong bear bar ending near its low, so I had to push down here. Thought I'd try. Obviously, it doesn't work out. Right, the 5-minute chart, strong bear bar ending, so just want to follow through. And we had another push down here that we had a chance to push down, but it seems to be a limit order market where people just buy the bottom of that bear bar. I just don't understand how people do it, but they do it. Like they do it somehow, pandas. They just buy it. Buy a strong bear bar. They just buy. What in the world? There are absolute maniacs out there who just do that. It's actually crazy. I'm open to this just completely reversing now. Sure. I've seen it many times. Like strong bear bar in the open, it just reverses and never comes back down. I've seen it so many times. But what's probable here? What's the most probable? Bouncing off the 20 EMA here. Could just be a pullback to the 20 EMA. Sure. It's fair. It's absolutely fair. It might push down hard now. Sitting on my pause here. Down 375. Not too bad, pandas. Not too bad. Considering how many losers I just had, it's not the worst. Not the worst, pandas. We've been worse. We've been way worse. Absolute just trading range price action right now. Lower high. Lower high. Not super eager to jump into trade. I'm confused. That's why, pandas. Pandas, that's confusing. Let's admit it. Let's just agree to something, pandas. It's confusing. Second, just short here, pandas. Do I want it? Do I want it? Wicks, big wicks on the higher time frames. Hard to fight. I'll try, but whatever. Terrible looking signal bar. See, that is a signal bar you cannot trade. Oof. Oof. I kind of don't want to go short here. Alright, triggers with a terrible looking signal bar. I'll try the opposite. Let's see if anything comes from this. First reversal up. Let's see what happens. Big pain. But let's get a runner on these trap trades. Alright, looks like I lost. Tough. Interesting market. Very confusing. My triggers a trap, fails immediately. Down 875, pandas. This is not good. Am I close to my thresholds here? I got about 2,000 left. I'm good on thresholds. Just super frustrating right now. Last couple days, like, man, What is that? What is that? Since that failed, I'm looking for a short trade now. Lower high here, maybe. I don't love it, but we'll try. Of course, we're going double. Let's see. Of course, we're going double. I don't think today's a day I really swing. It doesn't seem like a swing type day. See if I can just scalp something here. Something nice. It's a lower high. Maybe it came in prematurely here. Should have waited for maybe a failed second entry long. But the fact that that failed to reverse here makes me want to go short. Think that this might push down hard.
Target filled.
Okay. Maybe a nice 400. I'll take it, Banners. I'll take it. That lower high, because it failed to really push up, I felt like we're going short. And the 5-minute basically was just a pause bar, and now we're getting the always in short here. The market needed to see what happens after that strong bear bar, and then they waited. We got that another bear bar, and then they sold. As you can see through the price action, you can see through the price action what the market was thinking. They wanted to wait for this bar, the next bar. The next bar was bearish. They said, okay, now we're gonna be always in short, sell it at the close, and now we're getting a nice push down here. That's what the market was doing. Do you think it's accurate to say that the market is sentient? Like giving a personality to the market, say like, oh, the market did this, the market did that, the market's thinking this, the market's thinking that. Do you think it's appropriate to say that the market is like, it's like has its own thoughts? Ooh, very strong push down. We are flushing here. I obviously didn't want to go short here because I felt like we were in the bottom of a channel. So I didn't feel appropriate to go short here, but market doesn't care. Market doesn't care about my lines. Market doesn't care about my channels that I created. Nice flush down. Looking for a short trade, but finding it difficult to find an entry here. I could try a first entry, but I think we're just a little bit oversold here. Let's try anyways. Only first entries. Thinking every first entry will create a new, like, it won't break the previous swing high type thing. Next pivot high. Previous pivot high. And we keep it at 10 points.
Target filled.
All right, I'll take it. Thinking you won't break this high here. Continue to trade in such a way where you don't think it's going to break this high. Triggers this. Oof. All right. Set my pause here. Okay, if you enter that trade, you... Oh, man, it's weird. It's weird. Maybe your stop loss could be up here, but it is a push down. It did something weird there, though, to be honest. It did something a little bit weird. At least on the 500 tick chart. Okay, very interesting. The hard time frames are suggesting this is a very strong downtrend. We basically cover, look at the 5-minute chart. All day, we grind it up. And within like 3 bars, we've basically retraced all of yesterday's range, this entire uptrend, just in 3 bars. It's quite wild, pandas. I could try. Why not? Has proven to have been working the last 5. Whoa! Alright, pandas. We'll sit on our pause. Big push up here. Ooh. Is it just tricky? Is it just tricking me? Is it gonna make a new low? Second entry short, maybe? Second entry short? I guess I gotta try on a strong downtrend. I gotta take that second entry short. Hopefully off the 20 MA, but I'll take whatever. First, second entry short on the super strong downtrend. Terrible looking signal bar currently. Like really bad looking signal bar. Okay, looks better now. Much better now. Looking for a new low at least. Looking for a new low at least. No? I feel like that's like very reasonable. Look for a new low here. That super strong push down. Hopefully always in short on the higher time frame. Ooh, might get hit here. Looking for that new... We haven't even made 10 points, so... I mean, the risk is very small here. Let's see if we can get at least a new low here. We might not get it, though. We'll see. It looks good for it, though. Spoke too soon. It's a second inch short. That's all this is, pandas. We're gonna look for a little bit more here. I don't care if I get hit, just because the risk is so small. Risk is very small here. It's reasonable to think a new low will be made here, but I guess not. I guess not. I hate days like this, where it's obviously a downtrend, you try to go short and you can't make money. Like, you're trying to go short on a downtrend, you can't make money. It's super frustrating. Very frustrating. Obvious downtrend, you can't make money when you try to go short. Very frustrating. Second entry short triggering or setting up on the higher time frames, 2500 tick chart. Right. It's another second entry short here. You can see with the indicator that the next reversal with this dark red number is going to be a second entry short. Such a strong push up. Goodness gracious. Super frustrating. We're down 365. It's not the worst thing in the world. Of course, I don't like being red, but that's just very frustrating. We had a nice second entry short here. Decent looking signal bar, actually. Pretty close to the 20 EMA as well. And looking for a new low. Couldn't even make it, so that's unfortunate. Also, 5-minute chart with super strong bear bar. People just buying it at the bottom. It's just crazy to me. This is looking like a trap here. Feels like entry short. Like, it's a very good looking trap might be setting up here, but because we're in a downtrend, I'm not looking for long trades right now. We do have an undershoot on this big channel here, right? An undershoot of it could create an overshoot of it. Maybe even a reversal. Sitting on my paws, pandas. Ruben, up 360, he's done. Congrats. We have a strong downtrend day, but man, it's annoying when you go short and you lose money. We don't even trigger the trap here. It's just floating up. It's a floater. The 5-minute is just disgusting. Look at this. Strong bear bar ending near its low. Gets reversed completely here. Yuck, 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 yuck. I don't know what to say. Trap, perhaps, gonna trigger here. Do I like this trap? Not really. It might be good for a scalp, though. It might be good for a scalp. Just because we're a strong downtrend, I'm not looking for a long. I'm not looking for a long trade right now. Just because we are on a pretty strong downtrend. Okay, pushing down. Nice, nice. Trap does trigger coming off of the 20 EMA. Could be good. Not worth it for me. Ugh, no, I don't know. I don't know, pandas. I look for a short, but I want it to be underneath the 20 MA. Okay, let's pop up a little bit here. Such a strong move up. Such a strong move up. Second entry short does triggering a trap here. But underneath the 20 MA. Keeping a close eye on the 2500 tick, right? Because we're right at the 20 MA. By the way, we did have news today. It was an absolute dud. Didn't do anything. But I marked that. I said today probably that news won't do anything. Tomorrow the news is probably the best news we can use. Right? Tomorrow you have the core PCE prices as inflationary measurement, unemployment claims. Right? Those two things are the biggest things that the Fed cares about. Inflation and employment, right? Strong job markets. That's all they care about, really. All right, I'll try. Should try with double. Yeah, why not? Second entry short. Kinda. Third entry short, really. We're in double here. The risk is not too large for a 2500 tick trade. So I kind of like it, especially when your reward is like, you're talking about making a new low here. It's a big reward. It's a big old reward for the risks not being too bad. But it looks like it's going to fail pretty quickly here. I'll hold it though. Don't mind losing here. I like the risk reward here. It's very good. And probability is decent, right? Coming off the 20 EMA, strong downtrend. It's its first touch of the 20 EMA as well, and this super strong move down. If I lose it, I lose it. Moving on. All right. This market is just terrible. Currently strong uptrend. Spike in channel. This is terrible. Terrible market. Jeez Louise. Getting a nice signal bar coming out the 20 MA. That would be good for a short. It ain't though, pandas. Eh, boy, it ain't. Down big currently. My threshold is still pretty good. Yeah, we still have a pretty good threshold. I think we can make it back up. Let's try, pandas. Just sitting on my pause. If we just decide to completely reverse here, V bottom type situation. Could be a V bottom. It's going. V bottom. Right, the 5 minutes of V bottom. Just one reversal back up. Smaller time frame, you can see a small double bottom here. Right, the trade that I was like, very unusual that we didn't make a new low here. Right, once that failed, it really started to reverse. It was unusual. When the thing that usually happens doesn't happen, just expect the opposite. Big move, big reversal here. Big push up here. Reversal is working out on the 2500 tick. It's a really a yeah, very nice trap trade. It's just the classic V bottom. I guess I'm looking for a long trade now. I don't know, pandas. Let's look for a long trade. We don't have no opportunities here. No setups. Just flying. I really liked that trade though. 2500 tick. It was a small risk for very good risk reward. I mean, yeah, small risk for really good reward. I guess the probability was way too little. It's just rocketing up. I mean, I guess I'm looking for a long trade, but it's uptrend. I don't know. Second entry long here. It's overshoot now of this channel. Overshoot could lead to an undershoot. Sure, why not? Second entry long does trigger, but this is your signal where pandas is ugly. But the uptrend could be so strong, the market don't care. Put your hands in the air if you just don't care. That's what the market's doing right now, pandas. Amazing. Worst looking signal bar, top of a channel, yet the market keeps going up. Why not, pandas? Why not? Looking sus right now, looking a bit choppy. Pandas, I don't know. I don't know. Was I supposed to just buy off the 20 EMA there? I guess. I guess with hindsight buys, I should have just bought at the 20 EMA. Some bull bars will follow through. On the 5 minute, approaching the 20 EMA though. Benelli using the 1 minute chart, trading second entries, not bad. Hope that's working out for you. Trap does trigger. Decent push up, I guess. Thanks for joining, guys. If you gotta leave, I get it. I get it. No clue what to do here, Pandas. It's a limit order market, but I just know the moment I enter a limit order, it's gonna just flash, crash, take me out. Another trade off the 20 EMA here. I guess I should have waited for it. What in the world, Pandas? I should have just waited for the 20 EMA bounce. Certainly, if I try now, it will not work out, right? Certainly now, if I try, it won't work out. Day trade, I'm here all day, baby. You know we're coming back. You know we're ending today green. You know we will. Very strong push up, Pandas. Like, it just... I mean, I don't know. I don't know what's more impressive. This move down, this move back up. Goodness gracious. It's insane. I'm guessing something like that. I get a couple hits off the 20 MA here. I know the moment I try this, it's gonna fail, so... If it touches the 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart, I'm not going to try. Because it could bounce off of the 20 EMA reverse. But look at this move, Pandas. Like, I just... how was I supposed to expect this kind of move up, Pandas? That's insane. I was not expecting that. Especially in the opening when the move down was so strong. Alright, no longer interested in this. Just watching this go up. It's crazy. It's fun though. Fun watching this go up. Not looking for a short, not looking for anything right now. I mean, I guess I was looking for a long, but not anymore, right? 5 minute just touched the 20 EMA. Coming back to the open. Might fill the gap here now. That's what it looks like it wants to do. Especially V bottom. Making a V bottom like this. Yuck. Yuck. Diabolical right now, this market. You know we're coming back the second half, Pandas. It's just the first half of trading, Pandas. You know we're coming back. Let's see if we have some clarity here. Coming back down. Off our trend line, off the 20 EMA perhaps. I was worried to take that long here, but I should have just gone long again. It is very, very systematic. They're just buying off the bottom of this channel. Even hitting a strong resistance such as a 5-minute 20 EMA does not care. Pretty incredible if you ask me. Small triangle being created here, or ascending wedge. Second entry long here. I don't even feel confident buying it here on the second entry long. Even though we're on a super strong uptrend, we hit a resistance on the 5-minute chart. But man, this is like undeniable. This was quite a impressive move up. Basically retraced all of the opens downtrend. It did it in one single leg. One leg down, one leg up. Not expecting that. Usually when you have a strong leg like this, you're expecting another push down, right? That's typically what happens. Otherwise, it'll V bottom, which is what it's doing right now. V bottomed. V bottoms are more rare than follow through. Whoa. All right, second entry long does trigger, but with the outside bar reversal, we're hitting our heads here a little bit. Does pop up here. If it does go up, Pandas, I'm just gonna let it go. There's nothing here for me. I don't like this how it looks. I don't like how we're so close to here. It could really blast off here, being clearly above the 20 MA. But I don't like the resistance on the 5-minute chart. I do not like the resistance on the 5-minute chart. Okay, we failed. If you went long there, you just lost that trade. Good thing we skipped it. Another attempt at it again here. Am I interested in it? I don't know. Another attempt at it to break out again. Am I interested in it? Not really. It's getting very choppy. We got like 7 overlapping bars in a row. It does pop up now finally. Pops up, but no follow through currently. Small pullback. Now pushes back up. No follow through on this strong bull bar, ending on its high. No follow through yet. Higher low. Might be the push up. I don't know, pandas. Mighty confusing here. You would think this would want a breather. You think the market would want like a small breather before really blasting off here. That's another second entry long. Oh, ugliest trade in my life. Whoa. I don't care, I'm not making money here. It's just too confusing for me. It just got so choppy here, pandas. I remember clearly above the 20 EMA though, which is nice. Now we got a higher low. I don't know. I don't know if any of that even matters at this point. The leg counts here. It's just buying off the 20 EMA seems like to be the thing right now. Just gonna be patient through this. I'm gonna sit on my pause, man. I have no idea. If it goes up, it goes up. I just can't be part of this. I want no part in this diabolical price action. Loco says because there's no motivational music. If there was motivational music right now, I'd be down negative $2,000. I'd feel so confident to take any trade. All right, we're underneath the 20 EMA now, which is the first, right? With two closes underneath the 20 EMA. First time in a long time. Could be significant. Do I think it'll be significant? I don't know. It's another trade off the 20 EMA. Strong bull bar. Ending on a tie. Sure, why not? Why not? Anything could happen here. Just looks like a limit order market. Second entry long. I don't know if I can even take it. You know I'm thinking of the failed second entry long right now. You know exactly what I'm thinking right now. That failed second entry long. Good signal bar off the 5-minute chart. Maybe to go short here. Doesn't quite trigger it. There it is. There it is, pandas. Are you ready? Are you ready? Huh? That's not what's supposed to happen. Guess it's bouncing off our channel here. Forget about it. I was ready for that short, pandas. I was so ready for that short just because the 5-minute chart had a beautiful looking signal bar off the 20 MA. Thinking we get a nice little push down. Looks like it ain't so, pandas. Looks like it ain't so. If they ain't with us, they ain't us. Now I have no clue, pandas. Typically, as typical, I have no clue. Second short does trigger, but not very interested. As long as we're in this channel, it's hard for me to like make a trade. But if we're like underneath here and it triggers beneath it, then I'm more willing to take it. But as long as we're in it, it's hard for me to take. Maybe failed trap might be interesting here. I don't know. Pandas. I'm the most popular person in the world right now. Sorry. Give me a sec. People seem to love to message me while I'm streaming, pandas. Failed trap, I'll consider this. Honestly, I should just take the trap to go higher, huh? I should have just taken it to get higher, back to the top. It's like a limit order market, pandas. I don't know why I'm even attempting to break down here. It still looks pretty strong bullish, to be honest. I don't know why I'm trying to go short here. It actually looks pretty strong bullish. Will I ever learn, pandas? Will I ever learn? I don't think so. We're gonna try here, pandas. We're gonna try. I love the double trigger. That's why I'm attempting this. Okay. 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 Yeah, I knew it. The moment it enters, it just bounces right back up. I knew it. We're dead. Ah, we're dead. The moment it enters, I knew it, pandas. The moment it entered, it reversed. I knew it, pandas. Oh my gosh, I knew that was gonna happen. Yet I still tried. Just I can't, pandas on days like today. What is this? What am I looking at right now? Like, what am I actually looking at right now, pandas? What am I actually looking at? The moment it enters my trade, it reverses on me. I knew it, pandas. I knew that was gonna happen. I absolutely knew that was gonna happen. I was completely ready for it. Just disgusting, man. Disgusting. It's just untradeable for me. I just cannot trade markets like this. I simply cannot trade markets like this. I was expecting the 5-minute, right, to trigger a reversal here, just so at least a break of previous candle's low. It gives a double bottom instead, right? Macro double bottom on the 5-minute chart. It is what it is. I can't trade this. I can't. I can't. Oh, pandas. I knew that was gonna happen. Oh my goodness gracious, pandas. That is just so frustrating. Pretty much expecting it on days like today. Pandas. If you haven't noticed. I'm absolutely tilted. I'm just absolutely tilted right now. And look at this. I mean, what is it doing right now? It's doing absolutely nothing. I'm gonna start scalping here. I don't care. I'm gonna just try. I'm gonna just start scalping. It's not filling me. And once it fills me, it's gonna explode. I'm scalping here, pandas. I don't even care. And pandas, if it hits down here, guess what? I'm reversing it here. If it hits the bottom of the channel, I'm reversing it back up. I don't even care. I just rarely do this, but pandas, I'm just so tilted right now. It's gonna blast off now. It's gonna blast off. I'm coming up break even. This is just not looking good. Oh, pandas. It's not looking good. I'm coming up break even. It's just it looks like it's about to blast off and fill the gap. That's what it seems like. I can't. I don't know. Coming up break even here. Does trigger. Pandas, I just 5-minute chart, pandas. One leg down, one leg up, fills the gap. What in the world, pandas? Like, how am I supposed to trade this? It's one single leg up. It's actually crazy. You don't even get a small pullback here. What am I supposed to do, pandas? Is that the top? Is that the high of today? We're coming all the way back down now. I have no idea. Look at this monstrosity in the last like 20 minutes. The last 20 some minutes. This what we have. Okay, not bad. Guess if you're a bull, it's not too bad. If you're a bull, it's not too bad a trade today. I'll start off with the. Oh my gosh, this is just insane. Ruben says, please don't do a double. You know I'm doing a double. You know it. This is fascinating, Panis. Gap fills on the 5-minute chart. Bounces off of it. Rocketing up here. We have yet to break a previous candle's low here. I have no idea what's happening, Pandas. Look at this price action. Like, This is not tradable, pandas. It's just not. It's plain and simple not tradable. Got a double top here now. Clearly above the 20 EMA, so it feels bullish, but at the same time giving us some reversal signs. No clue. I mean, it's a limit order market. That's all I can say. High or low here? I just don't know like where to buy. I guess off the 20 MA. That's what's been happening. Lucas, do I play any video games? Not right now. I was trying to get into Deadlock, but I could tell it's like a high skill game. It's gonna take a lot of hours to get good at it. A lot of hours to get good at it. I spend most of my time playing like online poker right now. Online poker. It's a tie between what's more frustrating, online poker or trading futures. Second entry long here? Are you insane? Are you actually insane? No clue. There's no clue what's happening here. Whew. This is rough. I'm not even upset about being negative $1,390, pandas. I'm more upset of the fact that this price action is so trash. It looks like it just keeps getting bought up. That's what it looks like and feels like. It just keeps getting bought up with limit orders. But it's so small. The movements are so small. I don't know if it's even worth taking any of these trades. Day Trader New York says, do you think, or Day Trader NY, I don't know if that means New York, but do you think Tesla is a poor man's car? Actually no. I actually think you're pretty bougie if you have Tesla. But they can be cheap. But if you have like the higher end ones, they're pretty expensive, like 100K cars. Pandas, just, I have no idea. Break down a little bit here. No clue what's happening here, Panos. Hugh applauding Elon. Interesting. Giving credit where credit is due, huh? We finally get a pullback on the 5-minute chart. It's a miracle. It's absolutely a miracle. We finally get a pullback. We finally get a pullback on the 5-minute chart, Pandas. Goodness gracious. The 5-minute, right? We finally break a previous candle's low. Hasn't happened this entire way up. I don't know if it means anything, but that's what happened. So bounce up. Outside bar reversal. It's still bouncing off this trend line. It's kind of crazy. At least I found this trend line that it bounced off of so many times perfectly. At least I found it, Pandas. I saw a video guy goes, dude, you drive a cheap Tesla. I'm in the market. So I started to think if they are cheap. Interesting. Do you guys know that they don't allow electric cars on racing tracks? Like if you go to your local racing track, they don't allow electric cars. Did you know that? Do you know why though? It's not what you expect. It's not what you expect. Bill 7 says acceleration. That's what you would think. But isn't that a good thing? Don't you want cars to accelerate fast on racing tracks? Okay. I could try. I don't know. Lower highs, lower lows. I don't know, but we will try. We will try to do something weird here. Which I know absolutely it's not going to work out. Yeah, what was I thinking? What was I actually thinking? I can't. It's too painful, pandas. I'm gonna bust these accounts soon. Days like today, I just can't do it. I mean, should I try just to buy the bottom here? We've bounced off it so many times. I might as well try, pandas. Might as well try one time. Of course, the moment I try, it's gonna flash crash. Can we get back to the top of this range? Is it actually possible? No follow through, Strumble bar, no follow through. See if we get something here. And
Target filled.
alright, I'll take a win. I'll just take a dub, Pans. I just need a dub. I need a dub. $11 Alright. I just need a dub, Panda. That's all I'm asking for. This is getting the right direction here. What's happening here, Panda? I guess technically I did the right thing there. Seems like unlikely, but I apparently did the right thing there. The 5-minute chart is just absolutely disgusting. We get this inside bar, break to the downside, then we get an outside bar, breaks to the upside and downside. It's actually crazy right now, this price action. The market doesn't have to do anything, Pandas. Let's just say that. The market actually doesn't have to do anything here. Alright, we're extending it today, Pandas. We're extending today's session. I'm sick and tired of this. We are extending today's session. It's been loving channels right now. It's been loving these limit order markets. Okay, seconds are short. Be a decent push down here. Interesting. That's crazy, pandas. This is crazy. Look at this price action, pandas. What's the ES look like? ES is pretty much the same thing. It's absolute nonsense. Oh, but ES is about to trigger Big Mama. Huh. Interesting. We're gonna try one more time, pandas. Just watch. Just watch. We're selling down here. Breakdown area. Just watch, pandas. Just watch. Get your engines ready, pandas.
Target filled.
I don't feel good about this, pandas. I don't feel good about this at all. I abandon ship. Abandon ship, pandas. Miraculously, somehow, it'll probably still work out, though. Am I trying to go back long, back to the top of this channel? That's the question. I don't know. I don't like anything here, pandas. I really don't like anything here. I don't know, pandas. Should I have stayed in that short? I'm really asking for a lot, right? To break down there. I'm asking for a lot. I'm really asking for a lot there. In my opinion. Lower highs, lower lows. I mean, this is the beginning of a downtrend. Every downtrend begins with a pullback. Looks like a pullback in the beginning. Every reversal always looks like a pullback. That's why it's always difficult to know. What am I actually looking at here? Is it really going to make a move down? I guess I should have held. I don't know, pandas. I guess I should have held. All right, I'll try. I'll try here. Second entry long. 2500 tick. Honestly, it doesn't mean much, but we'll see. Oof. Just because we've been in a limit order market for so long, I feel like we're in the bottom of a trading range of some sort. This is really pushing down, though. It actually is pushing down. It actually was the trade of the hour, pandas. I was actually in the trade of the hour. And I wussed out on it, pandas. I wussed out on it big time. This was the trade of the hour. I wussed out big time. Felt so sus, but you know. What can ya do, pandas? What can ya do? Always in short now, are we? Yeah, looks like always in short now. Okay. I'll try. First attempt, reverse down, right? Continue, push this down. First entries only type situation. We'll attempt it here, one try. Okay, we're in this trade. Small risk. It's like a wall right there.
Target filled.
Pandas, we are slowly climbing back, pandas. We're slowly climbing back here, pandas. First entries. Let's see if we can make something of this. Two strong bear bars ending near the lows on the 2500 tick. I'll do another first entry, see what happens if we get it. Market might not even give it to us though. Okay. Woo! What a push up. What a very strong push up. You don't really want to mess with a push up like that. Wowzers. Alright. To balance out the 20 EMA here. Also balance out the 240 SMA, as you can see here. First entry off the 20 EMA. Could be a decent push down. Why not? I'm gonna try something a little cheeky here. In this trade. Should I do a full swing is a question. If I get 10 points quick, I'll just take it. If I do a full swing, that's risking a lot here. I'd rather just take the hit and then just try again if I see an opportunity to go short. That makes the most sense to me. Let's see if I need to hold this big risk here. I also like this strong bear bar on the 5-minute chart. Most likely another push down. Most likely another push down. But we'll see. I mean, if this risks my face off, it is what it is. It's a failed trap. Comes back to the 20 EMA, which makes sense. Big pain here, unfortunately. Very unfortunate. I hate that. Yeah, unfortunate. Oh, trap trade. 25. I'm dead. These accounts are dead. Yeah, I got like 300 left on these accounts. It's painful. I mean, you got the strong bear bar on the 5-minute chart. You're thinking follow through. Absolutely no follow through. Just gets bought up. That's why I felt so confident to go short there, because I saw the strong bear bar on the 5-minute chart. Just gets limit order buys. The bottom of the super strong bear bar. I just panicked. I just don't know what to make of this. I don't know what to make of this. This is absolutely insane just to be bought like that, but it is what it is. Absolutely no follow through. Is it possible? I just don't know, but it is what it is, pandas. Just absolutely like insane. Just to buy up this with limit orders on the 5-minute chart. I just can't. I just can't. I can't. How you gonna have zero follow through on a strong? Pandas, I'm tilted. Either these counts are gonna be busted, or we're gonna make a comeback here. I'm guessing we gotta take this long as a, like, considering this a bear trap. We gotta consider this a bear trap at this point. Gotta consider this a bear trap. It's just insane that's like that. Alright, trap fails on the 2500 tick. I'm not going short again here. It's a double trap, but it's just when you trap fails like this, it's just like you gotta let it go, pandas. You gotta let it go. When traps fail in the higher time frames, it's pretty nasty stuff. Pretty nasty stuff. Last trade of these accounts is pretty much essential here. Last trade on these accounts, I think. Ew, brother. What's that? Ew, brother. Are you gonna buy new evals? Nah, I mean, I already have. I have a bunch of funded accounts ready to go. That's the nice thing about the fund accounts being lifetime. I could just keep them. Have a bunch just stored up. We're gonna take 4 at a time. Basically bullets, right? They're bullets for me right now. What in the world? I don't know, pandas. What is this supposed to be? No longer thinking this is a bear trap because look at this 5-minute chart. Absolutely disgusting. It does. The trap is a double failure on this trap, pandas. I don't know. Might be good for short. It's a good looking signal bar at least. At least it gives you that much. Second entry long on the 500 tick here. Perhaps looking for a new high. Yeah, double bottom pushes up here. Pretty strong push up. Okay, doesn't end the best. Could be a nice reversal here. What do I know, pandas? What do I know? Last trade of these accounts possibly here. Thoughts and prayers, pandas. Thoughts and prayers right here. I need them all. And oh, accounts are still alive. Might as well just put the appropriate stop loss here. Accounts are still alive somehow. Accounts are alive still. Can we get more? Of course not. Of course it's gonna kill me. I'm dead. I'm dead. Just weird, terrible price action today. Ah. I should take in my own advice. When the trap fails, don't mess with it. We're still in the trade, but not for long. It's gonna take me out probably. Right, this trap fails, now it's reversing. There's not much I can do here, pandas. I don't know how the counts are still alive, to be honest. They should be dead already. Had a trap trade, 500 tick. I don't know. I'm thinking this huge push down, there's going to be some follow through, but guess not. Thoughts and prayers. They're going to be dead soon. So close to dying. We're still alive somehow, pandas. We're absolutely still alive here. And now we're still alive somehow. And now we're still alive somehow. And now we're dead. Yeah. GG's. I tried. The price action is just too terrible today. I've had these accounts for so long too, for like months. Not months, but yeah, a little more than a month. I had these accounts alive. It's a step in the right direction when your accounts are longer, like last longer than a month. But fortunately, we couldn't get anywhere with these accounts. We really tried though, pandas. We really tried. Here we go. These accounts are dead. Thoughts and prayers. Thanks, Pandas, for believing in me. Thanks, Pandas, for trying and believing in me and staying with me to the end. Feeling the heat now. We're dead. We're absolutely crushed here. It gave us a glimmer of hope. Gave us a glimmer of hope here. Price action is absolute trash. Just a very difficult trade. If we make a lower high here, we might have a chance. Could have an actual chance here if we make a lower high. Looks like the market's not going to give us a lower high here. There's too many bulls trying to buy now. It's an inside bar on the 500 tick chart, which is ridiculous. Lower high created. Could be a decent push down here. Most likely a trading range starting to develop like this. Most likely. Probably trading range. Something like this. Shooting for the stars, man. Shooting for the stars. What do we have to lose, Pandas? What do we really have to lose here? What do we really have to lose here, Pandas? Absolutely nothing. Pandas. Is it a modern day miracle right now? I wish my other accounts were still alive to see this.
Target filled.
We hit the first target, Pandas. Absolutely incredible. We're still alive here, Pandas. We're somehow still alive here, Pandas. Pandas, we're still alive. Forget coming out break even. We're going for it all. Pandas! Boy. What is happening here, pandas? Do I want more? Pandas! Come on, pandas! Super Saiyan! Pandas! We're going the 1 for 2 on the 5-minute inside bar. Right, it's an inside bar trade that we're doing on the 5-minute chart. Right, we already hit the 1-to-1. That was our first target right here. Now we're going for the 1-to-2. Second target. Strong bear bar ending near its low on the 5-minute chart. Being bought up with limit orders again is just horrendous. Absolutely horrendous here. Let's see if we can get the 1-to-2. I'd love to see the 1-to-2. Let's grind down. I mean, I'm down for grinding down. Woo! Nice little pop down. No follow through yet on that 5-minute chart. I think we're going to get it, Panis. I think we're going to get it. Pandas! Keeps teasing. Keeps teasing it. Keeps teasing it, Pandas. Right. What we're doing here is a 1-to-2 now on the 5-minute chart. We got the 1-to-1 on the inside bar to 5-minute. We got the 1-to-1. Now we're looking for the 1-to-2 on the 5-minute chart, Pandas. The inside bar setup. It's not looking too hot right now. It's not looking too hot right now. Ooh, I don't like that. Don't like that at all. Let's just be patient here, Pandas. We have a pretty strong channel here, I think. Ishu, are you going to be okay within the rules? Yeah, I should be fine. I often trade 1-to-2. If they allow one scale in, I'm basically just scaling in my 2 contracts equals 4. So shouldn't be a problem. I mean, If it is a problem, that'd be really weird. No follow through on that 5-minute bear bar. Any on its low. It's just reversing here. I don't know if we're gonna survive here, pandas. But valiant attempt, right? Valiant attempt here. We tried. We really tried our best. We held strong with diamond paws, pandas. We're still holding with diamond paws. It's just really frustrating when you see candles like this. We get strong bear bars, no follow through, strong bear bar, no follow, strong bear bar, absolutely no follow through. This is very frustrating. Right, strong bear bar with follow through, you're thinking you can get filled here, especially with a big bear bar like this, but sometimes you don't get it. And it's just, today is one of those days where you don't get it at all. A strong bear bar, ending on its low, no follow through, don't even break the low, pushes up. That's been killing me. The strong bear bars and strong bull bars, and I'm expecting follow through. It's just they've been killing me, pandas. They absolutely been killing me. Making like double contract trades, 2 contract trades on those setups with confluence, and it's just been killing me. What can I say? Yeah, brace to the upside here. It looks like I'm dead. Well, what can I do, pandas? I just sit on my paws. I wait. We had pretty good profits here, but unfortunately, the market just completely, again, V bottoms, reverses type situation. It's not much I can do. I think it's completely reasonable to expect this bear bar to have some follow through. So I'm holding on to my trade, right, like a swing trade, hoping that it will give me another push down with the strong bear bar. But right now it's coming back up. Like if I wanted to, I mean the whole trade is up here. I don't know if I want that though, pandas. I'm happy to come at break even if I don't win this. It could be just like a bounce off the 20 EMA even, maybe something like that. Also, complete reasonable to retrace back to 20 EMA before continuing to push down. Only thing I have right now are thoughts and prayers, pandas. Do you believe? Do you believe? Oh, wow. Alright. I guess the market is not going to give it to us. Market's been vicious lately. Been very vicious. Nothing's been easy in my opinion in the market. Nothing's been easy in the market right now. The last couple days. I think it was completely reasonable to think we'll get another push down here. Yeah, takes me out now here. This is it. It's all good. Valiant attempt. Valiant attempt. Very valiant attempt here. In my opinion. I think it's a very good attempt. To go for that 1 to 2. It made sense to me. Especially with such a strong push down. I'm not really expecting it to just rip back up. I mean, I could extend my stop loss, but I don't know, pandas. I don't know if it's worth. If anything, I'll just get hit, come break even here, and go short again if I really like the trade. That's my setup right now. Oh yeah, this is definitely taking me out here. Not even a chance. Not even a slight sliver. Right, it's a trap trade. It's gonna take me out. Yeah. All right. All good, Pandas. We tried. I mean, we got back $1,000 basically of threshold. Super unfortunate. I mean, if it tick shots me here, that's really unfortunate as well. It is what it is. I tried. I really tried. I mean, good comeback. We were in the green today, actually. When we were down here, we were actually in the green. But for me, when your 5-minute candle looks like this, you're thinking follow through, but instead it just reverses with 2 strong bull bars, seems like, right now. And I don't know. It's just, it is what it is, Pandas. It is what it is. It's the kind of day we're having today. Hey, at least we have these accounts. We have this account alive still. And I think that's good enough for me. I'm happy with that. Let's see what happens. We'll add a couple more. We'll add a couple more tomorrow. We'll be back with 4. Pandas! Hope you guys had an amazing day. Obviously, I struggled today. And it is what it is. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning. Hope you guys are trading better than me. And trade safe, everyone. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.